Let's talk operating systems and FIFO, first in, first out, a classic page replacement algorithm used in memory management. Simple yet impactful, FIFO works just like a queue in real life. The first page to enter is the first to leave when memory gets full. Think of it as standing in line, first come, first served. Concept time. FIFO replaces the oldest page in memory, the one that entered first. Pages enter a queue, and when space runs out, the page at the front, the one that's been there the longest, gets the boot. Let's walk through an example. Page reference string, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. With 3 frames available, we count a page fault each time a page enters memory and isn't already there. Pages are removed in the same order they arrived. Simple? Yes. Smart? Sometimes. FIFO is easy to implement, but it can sometimes kick out a frequently used page, which isn't always the smartest move. Pro, it's super simple. Con, it doesn't always make the best choices. Now let's visualize FIFO using a stack-style simulation. We're working with a page reference string, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, and we've got 3 memory frames available. The rule is simple, always replace the page that was added first. That means the one at the bottom of our stack gets removed first. Step 1, page 1 enters the memory, it's the first one in, so we get a page fault. Step 2, page 2 comes in. It gets placed above page 1. Again, a page fault occurs. Step 3, page 3 enters. Now all 3 frames are filled, another page fault. Step 4, page 1 appears again, but since it's already in memory, no page fault this time. Step 5, page 4 arrives. Memory is full, so we remove the oldest page, page 1, and insert page 4. That's a page fault. Step 6, page 5 is next. Page 2 is now the oldest, so it gets replaced by page 5. Another page fault. In the end, we had a total of 5 page faults. The memory frames changed 2 times after the initial fill. Pages were removed in FIFO order, first page 1, then page 2. That's FIFO in action, straightforward and consistent, but not always the smartest.